This recipe is a immunity booster for your baby. It's a traditional Indian recipe, excellent for soothing cough and cold, boosting immunity, good for digestion, and providing energy. And I mentioned all the ingredients on the screen.
And I feel good